Here we have a 2019 Auto Trail Delaware HB. This Auto Trail Delaware is built on a Fiat Ducato 150 brake engine and has the automatic gearbox and the media pack plus fitted that includes the satellite receiver. You will see that externally a roll-out awning, colour reversing camera, there is a solar panel, barbecue point and external shower, and we have the garage to the rear offering plenty of underbed storage. The interior to this Delaware has the luxury leather finish and facing lounge seats that form a double bed. We have satellite navigation, cab air conditioning, cruise control, colour reversing camera, and there is a drop down TV above the cabin. And we also have Bluetooth connectivity and the swivel cabin seats.
Don Amott, King of Caravans, the price is right and the choice is yours. Don Amott, King of Caravans.
This Delaware HB also comes with an option of the half dinette, increasing your seatbelts from 2 to 4. Cooking facilities are split across the central aisle. And offer excellent up-to-the-minute catering facilities. There is a rear island high bed with his and hers wardrobes, and this is separated from the main living space with an adjacent split washroom. Get in touch with our sales team if you'd like to view this Auto Trail Delaware HB that is now reduced.